This video is about how to use the green screen effect overlay in CapCut. So you import your file and you just drag and drop into the timeline. And this is the green screen that we are going to be overlaying onto the clip. So you click the clip and you go to video and go to cutout, check the chroma key button and click on the color picker and come to the green screen. Just click the green part of the video and go to strength and just toggle this up and you'll see the green screen disappear. And then you can just readjust the size of the overlay to the size that you want. This one worked out well, but for some overlay, you'll see some shadows or blemishes onto the screen. And then if that happens, then you just gotta come to shadow and kind of adjust and play with the shadow. And you should be able to get most of the green area out of the frame when you adjust both strength and the shadow.